Hey y'all, it's Betsy. Today we have a fun video. We are going to unbox the 2018 Beautylish Lucky Bag. I went ahead and cut the bottom right here, and Cameron, say hi.
Hi.
He wanted to help me unbox it, but other than cutting that, I haven't done anything. And so we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and look how cute the paper is on it. Absolutely adorable. Okay, let's see. It says Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that is inspired us to create our own. This year's Lucky Bags are brought to you by 7 lucky gods who travel the world in magical treasure and ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. Okay, so I'll let you pull out each package and then we'll open it on camera. I think that's just tissue paper. Oh, looks like it's, okay, wait, let's do one at a time. Okay. This looks like it's several things in here. So we'll go ahead and unwrap it. Oh, that is a lot of stuff in here.
First we got the
Washu First Care Activating Mask. So a new face mask, which I absolutely love. What else did we get? We got the Oribe Wave and Shine Spray.
We got the Stila Glitter and Glow.
Liquid eyeshadow and Diamond Dust. I have this one already, but this is one of my favorites. These are so pretty. But I can give this to my daughter because she does not have this. But these are absolutely gorgeous on the eyes. And Diamond Dust is a very beautiful color.
And we also got a Wayne Goss brush.
A number 20 brush. That's awesome. I don't have any Wayne Goss brushes.
We've got the Sun Designer palette.
Ooh, it's a by Terry palette. I do not have any by Terry. So this is kind of exciting. Let's see, I'm not sure if this is an eyeshadow. It's a summer edition sun-kissed powders, bronzer, blush, and highlight.
Ooh, comes in a
nice velvet packaging. Oh, that's really pretty. There's the by Terry palette. Let's cover up the mirror so you can see. I will let you know how this goes. This is my first by Terry product.
And then we have an Instant Look in a palette 5-minute face on.
It's the 5-minute face on the go by Charlotte Tilbury. I do not have any Charlotte Tilbury either. Let's see. So far, this is pretty good. There's several things that I don't have. There we go. And it's got bronzers and eyeshadows and highlight. Ooh, that's a nice creamy highlight. If you can see it on my hand right there. Very, very pretty.
And we got a Z palette large.
Ooh, another Z palette. Now I use these for my single eyeshadows, and it is a beautiful pearly white color.
Okay. No. Okay.
Let's see. Okay, I guess that's it. So, let's see, we got the Z palette. That's a good, you know, those are $30, $40. And that's a large palette. And I'm pretty sure that the Charlotte Tilbury is between $50 and $60. The by Terry is probably $60 to $100. So the Oribe is probably about 30 bucks, and this I know is 24 because I have all of the shades in this. So I think we definitely got our money's worth for the $75 plus shipping, which makes me super duper excited. I'm very excited to play with this by Terry blush palette. Let's go ahead and swatch some of these. You want to see the bronzer? That's a beautiful shade of bronzer. They're very nice and creamy. Now, I'm not sure if you'd use that as a bronzer, but that would make a beautiful eyeshadow shade. This bottom maroonish shade. But these are very nice and creamy and highly pigmented. And on this Charlotte Tilbury palette, it is a very basic, nice, smooth. I would not consider that black, but I would say that that would be beautiful for a smoky eye. And the nude is absolutely beautiful. And then the highlight shade for the eyes. So the colors are phenomenal. So we'll have to do a tutorial with that and see how that goes. And then the Wayne Goss brush. Now these are pricey, but this is a great size.
I got it.
Can you grab it for me, kid?
Yeah.
And let's see. That smells really good. So we'll see how that goes on my hair. Do you like the way it smells?
Mm-hmm.
But see, that's just a great little small blender brush. So if you like seeing videos like this, please give it a big thumbs up. We got several good products in here. I can't wait to try the mask. I love face masks and things like that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And check us out on Facebook. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Twitter. I'm on Snapchat. So thanks, and y'all have a great day.